This is how I would go about it. First, I would define the axes, latitude, longitude, which we can modify with the wrench here. Longitude, whatever, and latitude. Okay, so to get the points working, I recommend using arrays like this. So if we want to type, for example, the coordinate 3, 2, we would put the 3 here and the y here. It's going to be in correspondence with the order. So if we have 3, 2, 2, 8, it's going to form the coordinates 3, 2, and 2, 8. Okay. And in this case, since I don't have the original data, I'm going to make up some as an example. Okay. And once we have them entered in, we're going to connect them using the Polygon tool. We're going to type x, comma, y in caps like these. Okay. And we get this wedge looking shape. To make it look more like what we saw in the image, we can turn off the fill mode here. Make it yellow. And if we want, we can add the little labels like this. This bracket after the variable means first element of. So you can match like this, x1, y1, label it, let's say, New York City, and make it black, blue, red, whatever. You can keep repeating this process. And notice here, you can also change the icon of these points like this, if you prefer. Okay. And once you keep repeating this process, you will eventually arrive at the original graph. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial.